This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying wallet compatibility and securing access. This prevents lost tokens later. Connect a supported wallet, MetaMask or Phantom, then fund it with 0.1 to 0.1 ETH or network equivalent for gas. Once done, enable two-factor authentication, record your seed phrase offline, and set a spending limit where possible. Make sure to switch to the correct network in your wallet, because wrong chains cause failed transactions. These initial steps get you ready to request or purchase. You now proceed to obtain tokens by identifying the official distribution path. If it's a drop, claim through the verified contract or official UI. Follow the project's exact mint function parameters. If tokens are sold on a marketplace or DEX, approve only the minimal allowance and inspect the contract address. Once you initiate a swap or mint, confirm the gas estimate, set slippage between 0.5 and 3%, and watch for token decimal mismatches that can cause balance errors. Keep receipts for records. You finish by verifying the token arrived in your wallet, refresh balances, and inspect the transaction hash on the Block Explorer. If the transaction is stuck, you can increase gas or replace it using the same non-C. This often clears pending states. Make sure to wait a few confirmations before interacting. If tokens don't appear, contact the project support with the TX hash and wallet address, and only after careful vetting consider paid recovery services. A key tip: never share your seed phrase when seeking help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.